Hi there, Titanium Boy. You have an issue with your SOLIDWORKS CAM and the drilling. So let me try and work through this with you. Now, I am in CAMWorks, mind you, because I don't have the Pro version of SOLIDWORKS CAM, so I don't have turning in my SOLIDWORKS. But I do have CAMWorks, which is essentially the same. So in this one, you have an issue with this ID feature drill. And if we look, we can see that we are coming completely through. So we start at the tip and end at the back. I would say that you should be able to drive the depth of this cut in any regard. So let's go and have a look at this drill. Now in this drilling we are going to try something first. So I want to go into the advanced and say user defined set end. And then pick on that edge. So now we're going to drill to the center of that surface. Let's see what happens. Now this line should definitely update and go back, which actually was the case. So now we are drilling to that depth in this one. This is going to obviously update a lot of toolpaths and look like this. So for now, let's just suppress this guy and focus on the T3 drill bit. I'm going to have a look. Yeah, we don't have any 1 inch, so let's add a tool from the library. Let's go for a drill. And see if we can find a 1 inch. So that one. And let's just put the drill operation that we have. This guy, let's put that onto the 1 inch drill instead. And just make sure that everything is updated, and it is. So now we are drilling out with a 1 inch drill instead. I'm going to suppress these guys. So let's just do a real quick simulate. We can actually do simulate toolpath up to current, so then we see what we currently have. And thread is always going to take some time to calculate in that scenario. But here we have the 1 inch drill, and I could probably go in and say half, let's go 3/4, that is more pretty. And then just single step this one. So now we drill in and retract, and that's it. So you got the 1 inch drill coming into that depth. Now, a thing that you might not know is that when you define a feature, for instance in the turn setup, you can right click and create a turn feature. For that case that you are requesting here, you can go in and say, I want to do a ID feature, and I want to drill that line, nothing else. And then go ahead and press OK, and that would give us a new feature, and we can do generate operation plan on that one. And actually it recommends using a 1.25 inch. So generating toolpath on that one, and this is going to look something like up to current, and just let it calculate. I know this is, yeah, it's going to be cut off, so don't pay too much attention to the simulation in this case. But now we have a 1.25 inch drill bit, and we can step that through. And it's going to retract, and we can see if that was a good decision. So apparently we are green inside, so everything is looking good. Not sure why the front turned red on this one. You need to investigate that case, I guess. But at least that is how you can control the drilling. So either you define a specific feature with the length and depth that you want, or you go in and tell the drill bit that you want to control or restrain if you want by going to advanced and then say at the sea level you're going to restrict it to go further than 1.125. And yeah, that should get you on target. Thank you for watching.